So a couple of weeks ago, I posted a video talking about the prices in our area are not dropping, and just wanted to talk about that one more time. I know I'm probably beating the horse till it's dead, but one more time, wanted to talk about it because last weekend had a house go on the market. Um, Two open houses on Saturday and Sunday. We had 21 showings outside of the open house time frame on from between Friday and Saturday, and we ended up with five offers for the five going above list price. So again, in spite of what the national news might be reporting, in spite of what your friends and family might be saying, prices here locally in Hampton Roads are not dropping in real estate. So they are still strong, staying even at best, slight increase probably is what's happening, but they certainly not dropping. So if you have any other questions, want to talk again, more detail about this stuff, give me a call, shoot me a text, hit me up, 757-636-1340. Thanks.